Hi folks, this is ETprepper. I'm coming to you today and I'm going to show you a little shovel. Most of us have, well, most of us should have, but most of us have bug out bags. And in the bug out bag, sometimes, well, it'd be nice to have a shovel. Well, to carry even one of those fold-up shovels is a little bit cumbersome, especially if you have to carry it for quite a distance or something. So I was at Walmart and I found this in the camping section, a fold-up shovel that'll fit. You know, at least it'll dig something. And let's take a look at it real quick. It's a pretty good label they have on there. Okay, so there's your stainless steel shovel, and then you fold your handle up, like so. It's pretty stiff. I imagine it snaps in there in place. There it is. So there you have it. A simple, somewhat usable shovel that in a pinch, I'm not going to call on this thing unless I really need it. But the point is, if I don't have it, I can't use it. And I've been looking for something this simple and light and easy, and this fits the bill for my bug out bag. So I thought I'd share that with you folks. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, click the like button and please share it. Some of this information is very important and sometimes it's even time sensitive. If you are not subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and then there's a bell right next to it, and then that way you can get our feed. When we release another video, you'll get it right away. When you see that notification that there's another video up, be sure to tune in right away.